Hi everyone, welcome to today's video, which is a Project Pan update. I'm a bit late on this, but I just did not have time to film, unfortunately, in the past couple of probably weeks, to be honest. But I have my products with me, and since last time I am using a scale. I bought like this scale in Action actually. And it was like a couple of euros. It seems to be working. I already weighed all the products this month, so we have for the first time weight comparison between them. So yeah, let's see. I think I like to see it at least, because with some products you really cannot tell whether it's been used up and to what degree. So I think seeing the weight change is the only way to basically see it progress. If you hear any clacking sounds, like, you know, keyboard sounds, that's my boyfriend that's in the room with me. So just so you know, it's just a keyboard. Anyway, let's get into it. I'm gonna grab my phone as always and talk you through the products in the order I rolled them in. First one is the Origins Ginseng Oil-Free Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer. And I couldn't make a new marking because the product just kind of like, I don't know, there's like a hollow like space, but kind of is stuck to the edges, so I don't think there's much there. A couple of uses, and I used it last month 7 times. We are now on 35 since I rolled in, and I'm really hoping to have it done fast because I'm not the biggest fan of it. Basically, it's just the gel kind of formulas are not really working for me. I feel like they're a bit too drying for my liking. Oh hello, where's the focus? Then we have the Rituals body cream, which I used twice last time. Oh, I think it's getting a bit darker, so my camera's having troubles focusing. I hope we can get through it before it gets fully dark. But the weight change was there, so I am using it. It's just, I'm a bit tired of the scent at this point, because I also had shower oil from the same range, and it's like a bit much, I feel like. I thought I was gonna enjoy it, but it's quite an intense scent. But the product itself is very nice, because this is for me a lot of usage on a body product. I'm very picky with them. They can't be too greasy, they can't be too heavy, they need to sink in quite well, and this one does it. So if you want something like that, the balancing body cream, they have, I think, multiple scents, so maybe you can find some for yourself. Next up is my Caudalie serum, a mini. I used it 6 times last month. You can see the progress here actually. 1 more month, maybe 2, so that would mean with end of the year I would be rolling this out. And this is actually a very nice serum, but I just think for the way I use my skincare, I just don't know if serums are the thing for me, because I just forget about them. But yeah, for now my goal is to use as much as possible up and kind of have a more pared down collection of skincare, because no one needs 15 creams. This Honest Beauty lip balm in the shade Fruit Punch. Yeah, I had 14 uses left to reach my goal of 40, and I did that. As you can see, I do have quite a bit of usage. I do want to keep using it because it's a more natural product, like the ingredients are a bit more natural, and I just don't want it to go bad, and definitely as I really enjoy it. So this will be still staying in my rotation. This Paz loose powder, I used it 23 times, which means I used it 50 times in total, and I'm almost done. Like, you can even see that's my marking. There's barely anything left, but there is still something left there, so as you can tell, definitely next month will be out of here. This eyeshadow and a cream kind of a thing, I used it 9 times, my goal is 15, but there is no weight change, which I'm not surprised because the formula is very thin and you don't need much, but I did use it 9 times and you can tell I have been using it. So far I'm enjoying it. I have it also on my eyes now. It can lean cool tone or warm tone, kind of depending on your eye look. But I think it was like €2, and for that I think I'm really happy with how this is performing. My Paese Brow Story Brow Soap. My goal is I think 15 times. I used it 6 times. I just don't really know what to think about it. Again, you can tell I have been using it. I'm just not sure what it does, I guess. Also, I just realized that I did not put my today's usage into my app, I guess, or just my Word document. So some things need to get one up, but whatever. The weight change will not be much, and for neither of them, one more use would make them roll out this month. What am I trying to say? Anyway, I don't think it's really a product that I think anyone needs. I don't think I got a hang of it, of how to use it yet, but I'll keep on trying. I have to use it 9 more times at least, and maybe I'm gonna figure out that it's amazing somehow, so who knows. Next up is my small SPF, which I used 14 times. My goal is to use it up. I can't tell exactly how much is there. It is expiring next month, so I'm quite sure I will have it done by then. Trying to see. So even if I squeeze like this, nothing is coming out, so there really isn't. Yeah, there really isn't much left in here. Now I can see it a little bit better. So probably around here I have a little bit, which will be definitely used up. My MAC lipstick, and suddenly now it got really, really bright. I used it 18 times, the goal is 30. It's going well. I am using it very lightly though, because if it's like full on, it's a bit much for me. But I do use it, and it's okay. And the last product is this Belle Pressed Powder. I used it 8 times since rolling it in. Definitely with the loose powder gone, I'm gonna reach for this a bit more often, so it will 100% be done this year. I just don't know if it's gonna be next month or the month after that. As you can tell by the by the usage, it's not much left. And now to replace this Honest Beauty lip balm, I have actually a different lip balm, which is this brand Scent%. I do think it's Belgian, I'm not sure, but I bought this because of SPF 50. I haven't used it yet because I was like, oh, it's so pretty, I can't use it. I'm gonna say 20 uses, and as you can tell, it is brand new, so it's a good moment to roll it in. Okay, that's it for this Project Pan update. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!